Junaid, so Amir has been saying in many of the interviews that ये बंदा जो है वो ट्रेन में जाना चाहता है.
Papa is he makes a big deal out of small things. Yeah, I often take rickshaws in Bombay.
I want to make a name of myself. I just stop just looking at my father in my eyes.
Finding my own work, I'm doing my own thing, building my own relationship with people within the industry.
Faridun is already on his third film.
You were assisting on PK
Yes.
to register, so and you must have
Ji.
seen all the things that happened after the release of that film. And your first film, it saw certain resistance as well.
I like to work with people I trust, and then I leave those sort of things to their judgment. What was the best way of telling the story?
Siddharth, so would you say that you're protective towards Junaid?
I am. Also, Faridun, it's a very tough role that for a debut film.
When he is romancing both the heroines, Shalini as well as Sharwari, तो
Sharwari.
इनका एक अपना खुद का स्टाइल है.
I think the scenes are written that way also a little bit.
You can take some credit, Janu.
What sort of an actor are you? You like to learn your dialogues.
I believe when a writer has written something, you should be saying exactly that. So for that, you should learn. I think it's also maybe got to do a little bit with my American theatre education, where you're not allowed to change a single word.
Who's your all-time favorite actor apart from Amir?
Oh, good God.
If you can sum up Maharaj in a hashtag,
Oh, good God. I've never used the hashtag in my life.
if you want to ask anything to Sai Pallavi,
Oh,
Robert De Niro or Al Pacino better actor?
oh. It's a tough one.
Juhi Chawla or Madhuri Dixit, actress who look better opposite Amir Khan according to you?
Oh.
Siddharth and Junaid, welcome on Connect Cine. Congratulations for Maharaj.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Faridun. Thank you.
And Siddharth, I'll start with you. I've seen your journey for the longest period of time, and I'm so happy with the growth that has been there. And to make a film like Maharaj and with such perfection, congratulations for that. When I think when any filmmaker or any artist can surprise people, especially who've known them for a very long time, I think that's something which is really creditable. How important is it for you to surprise yourself?
Very. Actually, as a filmmaker, if you don't challenge yourself and if you're not worried about how you're going to deliver the next one, वो मजा नहीं है, वो adrenaline rush नहीं है. You've got to be challenged to tell a new story and I think there's a lot. अभी तो 12 साल में 3 फिल्में आई है, which was not planned, but now there's a lot to be told and a lot of diverse stories to be told. So जितना मैं अपने आप को सरप्राइज करूं विद इन द कंफर्ट जोन और विद इन द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ व्हाट आई एम गुड एट विल बी गुड फॉर मी. Yeah, and look at Clint Eastwood, look at his filmography, look at Gurudat Saab, look at Nasir Saab, Yash Chopra. Their filmography has been so different that there's a lot to be said as a filmmaker. I think it's high time I just pick up that speed a little faster now.
Right. So Junaid, congratulations for I think breaking that huge barrier that the moment the film comes, obviously the comparisons will be there, and unanimously people have been appreciative of your work as an individual. How important is it for you to be recognized as Junaid Khan?
Yeah, I don't know about that. I mean, I'm just glad to be doing good work. Maharaj is a film that I am very proud of, and I'm thankful for Siddharth sir and Adi sir for giving me the opportunity. Uh, and yeah, I'm just looking forward to doing more good work.
Right. Siddharth, how did you decide on Junaid? What was it in Junaid that made you decide him as an actor?
I mean, before I saw the Lasting Chanda test, I had met him once and I had found a lot of honesty in him. आज भी अगर आप इसके आंखों में देखो या if you know him as a person or like you saw before the interview, he's not a filmy kid. He's not, when you say filmy kid, he doesn't get it, but he's not he's not full of himself. He's a very, very honest and sincere person. So when we were doing, when we wrote Karsandas Munji, and of course Hichki was the hit, and of course, we discussed that should we go with big stars and XYZ. The idea was we wanted someone new, someone sincere, someone with that passion that Karsandas Munji had. And I had seen Junaid's test, Adi had seen it. So, we felt that he's bang on for the role, and that's how we approached it.
Right. In fact, Junaid, so Amir has been saying in many of the interviews that ये बंदा जो है वो ट्रेन में जाना चाहता है कि मैं ट्रेन में जाऊंगा, मुझे बस में ट्रैवल करना है। तो मुझे लगता है करसन दास के लिए आप बहुत पहले से तैयारी कर रहे थे, मतलब वो जो एक रिबेल एलिमेंट है वो बहुत आपके अंदर, जुनूनियत आपके अंदर खुद उससे भी है मेरे ख्याल से।
No, I think Papa is he makes a big deal out of small things. No, I just travel the most efficient way of traveling at that point. So, yeah, I often take rickshaws in Bombay because it's easier to get around. Don't worry about parking. So yeah, I'm not. I don't think it had much to do with the
Basically, it's
bill.
not about the show.
आपको नेचर ने प्रिपेयर किया था इस किरदार के लिए, मुझे लगता है। Okay, it is so fascinating that I think being the son of a huge star is extremely difficult. मैं आपके इंटरव्यूज देख रहा हूँ और मतलब आई थिंक सिद्धार्थ ही जैसे कह रहे थे कि मुझे लगता है जो जीता हुई सिकंदर का रीमेक जो है वो जुनैद को करना चाहिए। दैट लेवल ऑफ कंपैरिजंस एंड कि उसका रीमेक जो है मुझको करना चाहिए टाइप्स एंड ऑल दैट, वो अपने आप में बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग हो सकता है। ये जो आप किस तरीके से आप एक अपना खुद की जो एक तलाश है, वो आपकी खुद की तलाश कैसे है कि कुछ हद तक एक अलहदा करके कि यार मतलब I want to make a name of myself and just stop just looking at my father in my eyes all the time.
Well, I mean, I don't know about that. I mean, finding my own work, even in that sense, my family is also very supportive. There's no real pressure from them about anything in life. Um, so yeah, I'm finding my own work. I'm doing my own thing. I'm building my own relationship with people within the industry. Um, Hopefully, after this film, we start building a relationship with the audience also slowly. Uh, so yeah, so I think it's just one step at a time kind of thing.
No, I think you already have.
Faridun is already on his third film.
Exactly. Yeah, I've been seeing that, and with people like I think actresses over here as well in this film, and then you're having someone like Sai Palin, for example. I think she's a fantastic actor. मैं आपके इंटरव्यूज देख रहा था और जैसे आप बात करते करते में जैसे आपका एक होता है आप करते हैं, so Amir does
हाँ,
that as well. So what
that's
happened
true.
once कि एक बार आमिर का एक like इंटरव्यू मैंने किया, so after that I got a call from one of the team members. I would not take the name. He said कि actually आमिर सर का थोड़ा सा उसमें और वो सारे पोर्शंस हैं। मैंने कहा डोंट वरी, हम लोग उसको we'll edit that out. थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा but we'll no, आमिर सर wants to retain it. कि edit नहीं करना है इसको because that makes it things look real actually.
Natural.
That level of reality जो है मुझे लगता है कि शायद आपके अंदर भी कुछ हद तक शायद वो है, वो कितना important है आपके लिए to keep things real for yourself.
Yeah, it's just to. I mean, I don't really look at it as keeping it real. Just
Okay, and you were assisting on PK
yes,
to register, so and you must have
Ji.
seen all the things that happened after the release of that film. And your first film it saw certain resistance as well. As an actor, how do you keep these elements in mind in terms of how important is self censorship for you as an artist?
I think I would leave that to the filmmakers more. Um, I mean, I like to work with people I trust, and then I leave those sort of things to their judgment. What is the best way of telling the story? As an actor, it's not really any of my business. Uh, so, like for this film, I like Siddharth sir's work. I've interacted with him. I trusted him very. I trusted him completely in telling the sensitive story in a very sensitive way. Um, so yeah, I think it's just mostly that.
Right. Okay. And Siddharth, so would you say that you're protective towards Junaid?
I am. I'm definitely am. And
Yeah, most certainly.
it would be, no, it's only natural to be. It's
Absolutely.
only natural to be that way. You spent 4 years, I spent 4 years with him, and I respect
Right.
him for what he stands for what he is. And I've seen more than enough. I'm a third generation in the film industry too. I've seen more and beyond over here.
Absolutely.
So I feel that what he brings to the table is very, very real and genuine.
To get an acceptance with your first film, with your first work, both from within the industry as well as from people in general, कि लोग आपको देखना चाहते हैं और आपको आपके
जी
आगे का काम जो है वो they start looking at in terms of small nuances as well, कि बंदे को काम आता है और ये उसको बेसिकली अभी जब जब फील्ड मिलेगी तो वो उसके ऊपर खेल सकता है, अच्छे तरीके से खेल सकता है. ये एक जो स्टेप क्रॉस किया है जुनैद आपने, how much of a confidence booster is it for you as an artist?
देखिए, I think every work is fresh work. You always have to start from scratch. Every character is different. I think uh, it's best to look at every new script, every new character from scratch. Uh, so I think that's what I'm going to try and keep doing.
Also, Faridu,
Mhm.
it's a very tough role that for a debut film.
Absolutely. It's a very
A
tough.
very
That
tough.
is the whole idea that
tough
अगर
role.
अगर पहले फिल्म में अगर ये कर सकता है तो
जी
ये बहुत कुछ कर सकता है.
जी
वो जो एक
वही.
हाँ जी
अगर आप पिछले कुछ फिल्म देखिए जहाँ पे न्यू कमर्स आए हैं
हम्म,
और उनकी रोल स्पेक्ट्रम देखिए, not calm but role spectrum. They've been presented as really cool, young, with that wind flying, that kind of zone, which very easily Junaid could have been presented with. He chose the role which was an actor's role. We presented him as Karsandas Moolji. And the journey that he has in this film to face Jaideep Palawat and to face lots of Diggaj theatre actors requires a lot of dedication and hard work. So the kind of love and positive response he's garnering today is a sign that as an actor first he's accepted more than anything.
एब्सोल्युटली. और देखिए मुझे लगता है कि एक एक और बहुत पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट है कि जैसे व्हेन ही इज रोमांसिक बोथ द हीरोइंस शालिनी एज वेल एज शर्वरी, तो
Sarvari.
इनका एक अपना खुद का स्टाइल है.
जी
मतलब रोमांस करने का जो है या मोहब्बत करने का जो है वो अपना खुद का स्टाइल है. इट इज नॉट समथिंग जो कि
जी
हमने पहले देखा हुआ है. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स ब्यूटीफुल इफ यू कैन हैव दैट. That's always I think because ultimately I think Hindi movies they're also in many ways they're also about romance and love at some stage.
yeah.
At some stage तो मोहब्बत करनी पड़ेगी. तो वो जो है I think वो
I think the scenes are written that way also a little bit.
You can take some credit, Junu.
नहीं. देखिए क्या है कि क्या होता है कि सर उठाने का तरीका, मतलब मुस्कुराने का तरीका, कैसे मतलब रिएक्ट नहीं करना है. जैसे शर्वरी अटेंशन आपका लेना चाह रही है और आप उनको रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रहे हैं, डिले कर रहे हैं, तो वो सब चीजें भी जो है वो तो एक्टर ही के अंदर है ना.
हाँ, पर वो कैरेक्टर में भी लिखा
वो
हुआ
एक
है सर.
अंदाज नया है. वो अंदाज नया है. वो अंदाज में एक फ्रेशनेस है. देयर इज इन द सेंस कि दैट पीपल वुड वांट टू मे बी गो बैक एंड सी दोस सीन्स अगेन इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि यार ये इट्स अ न्यू वे ऑफ रोमांस. इट्स नॉट लाइक regular because people want something fresh these days because there's too much of content. So उस context में मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ.
No, I do feel a lot of it is written
Hmm.
in the characters, in the scenes. But yeah, perhaps.
I can love well. So but Siddharth, how do you look at it? Because जैसे primarily आपकी जैसे आपको love stories, you're very fond of love stories, and
I am.
so when you see a certain way of romance, एक subtlety है, एक नजाकत है,
जी
आपको as a viewer आपको अच्छा लगता है when you see that on screen?
मुझे endearing लगता है क्योंकि जो सीन जिस तरह से सीन लिखा गया है या जो सिचुएशन है आपने बहुत सही तरीके से पहचाना कि इसकी इंटरप्रिटेशन बहुत कई तरीके से की जाती है.
जी
पर जितना हमने जुनैद की नेचुरल स्टाइल को रखी है क्योंकि वो शर्माता है, वो शाय है। तो वो नेचुरली कर्सन में आया है। वो सच्चाई और वो रोमांस नेचुरली कर्सन में आई। तो आज के टाइम में जब, इसलिए मैं उसको बोल रहा था यू कैन टेक सम क्रेडिट बिकॉज दैट इज थैंक्स टू हिम, दैट इज थैंक्स टू हिज परफॉर्मेंस एंड व्हाट ही ब्रिंग्स टू द टेबल। आज के जमाने में जब एक्टर्स, डायरेक्टर या किसी और को क्रेडिट देते ही नहीं है, ये जनाब है जो पूरी दुनिया को दे रहे, खुद दे नहीं रहे, थोड़ा लेना सीख लो।
सर
और देखिए एक एक उसमें ये भी एक एलिमेंट है कि जैसे आई थिंक ladies, the women like the fact that the man is very focused on his work, like he has a
Yeah.
certain passion up towards his work. They find that romantic as well. So wo bhi ek element hai. That's quite as I think Siddharth rightly said, endearing.
Yeah, perhaps. But all of those things are written into the character, they're written into the scenes. So a lot of credit does go there.
Let us know your thoughts on the writers.
My thoughts, are you going to start? Okay.
Your thoughts. Acha, me. My thoughts are that they are the fulcrum of any film.
Absolutely.
Without writers, you don't have a film. That's the base. And in this film, we were blessed with two very strong writers, with Vipul, who had directed the Gujarati play and had also, written the Gujarati play. And then he came to write the film. He and his full team with Abhinay, Prati, and then with Sneha, who came with brilliant dialogues.
Yeah.
And then she did the additional screenplay on the film. And she was there throughout the journey of a film with us to ensure that, the language, the twangs, the performance, all that together. So it's teamwork. For me, the writers are very, very important for any film. अभी भी जो नेक्स्ट फिल्म कर रहा हूँ, for me, writers are penultimate. वो पहले जो लिखे वो, you have to follow their vision and ensure that vision is not contaminated.
क्या बात है. Okay, Junaid, आप कुछ ऐड करना चाहेंगे?
No, I think it was a beautifully written script. I think Vipul Bhai, screenplay, Sneha's dialogues. There's so many nuances that were already there. It gives actors a lot to play with. Sneha herself is a fantastic actor.
Actor, yeah.
So it was like that was very, very helpful. She was there with us through the entire process. She was very, very helpful with that as well.
She had a hand.
Yeah, the dialect, how much we are keeping of the dialect for which characters, all of that stuff was like fantastic.
Okay, so what sort of an actor are you? You like to learn your dialogues thoroughly. You like to rehearse in front of the mirror. What is your process like?
I don't rehearse in front of the mirror. I like to rehearse with my director and my other actors.
And you have to be completely thorough with the dialogues in terms of remembering them.
Yeah, I think so. No, I believe when a writer has written something, you should be saying exactly that. For that, you should learn. I think it's also maybe got to do a little bit with my American theatre education, where you're not allowed to change a single word that's been written on stage. But yeah, so then you have to know your lines.
Also, Faridul, once you know your lines, then you can enjoy the performance better because you're not trying to think, वो line क्या था, ये next line क्या है. Like the you compliment the film. The last speech of Junaid is a 8 to 10 minute speech.
Right.
जो monologue है Junaid का, जो court में देता है. He said that in one take, Faridul.
Wow.
One take.
Okay, जुबान के मायने समझना वो कितना important है आपके लिए? Because even language में भी nuances होते हैं, connotations होते हैं, words में भी connotations होते हैं. वो कितना important है आपके लिए?
नहीं, I think काफी important है. Generally, culturally समझना काफी important है. I feel अगर आप इंडिया में अगर आप फिल्म कर रहे हो, you should have some cultural awareness around you beyond just the urban, hyper-urban Bombay Delhi kind of where we are all been brought up, and language is a part of that. So yeah, I think some awareness is always good.
Junaid, what is your all-time favorite film?
My all-time favorite film we made in India is Rang De Basanti.
Rang De Basanti. Okay. Who's your all-time favorite actor apart from Amir?
Good God. Om Puri.
Om Puri Saab. Wow. Favorite actress?
Actually, I got to work with Arundhati Nag once in a play, and I think that was probably I had full fanboy. Anyway.
Wow. Okay. That's amazing. If you can sum up Maharaj in a hashtag.
Oh, good God. I've never used the hashtag in my life.
Yeah, I'm aware that you're not on Instagram and all that.
Hashtag please watch.
Hashtag please watch. How will you define an actor in a sentence?
No, you have to bring your director's vision to life.
Great. How will you define a good journalist in a sentence?
Ask the right questions.
Ask the right questions. Okay. If you can have questions for following people, now you're the journalist as well in the film. So if you have questions for following people that you have not asked them yet, what will you ask them? If you have a question for Siddharth Malhotra, what will you ask him that you still haven't asked him?
That I'll ask in private.
Anything in public that you can ask.
No.
Okay, if you can ask a question to Amir that you haven't asked him yet.
Again, I don't think there's anything I don't ask him. Need to ask him.
Okay, if you want to ask anything to Sai Pallavi.
Ask something to Sai Pallavi. I want to understand how I would actually ask Sai Pallavi how she can sleep under any circumstance. I found it fascinating.
How she can sleep under
fall
any
asleep.
circumstance. Okay.
She can fall asleep under any circumstances, anywhere. It was.
If you can ask a question to Nasiruddin Shah Sahab.
सर मेरे लिए काम है तो प्लीज आपके अगले नाटक में मैं ऑडिशन दूंगा.
Mansoor Khan Sahab.
आप बॉम्बे का वापस आ रहे हैं परमानेंटली.
Would you want him to direct a film for you?
Absolutely.
Okay. ये या वो, either or if you have to choose between the two. Rang De Basanti या Dangal film that you like more?
Rang De Basanti.
Godfather 1 या Godfather 2 better film?
Godfather 1, I think.
Robert De Niro या Al Pacino better actor?
It's a tough one. They're both Robert De Niro.
Okay. Sylvester Stallone या Arnold Schwarzenegger bigger star?
I think Arnold is probably the biggest. I don't know.
Okay. According to you.
So for me,
both of them were neck to neck. In 80s they were I think equally like huge.
I'm actually a big fan of both, so I don't know. I think Arnold maybe.
Okay. Guru Dutt Saab या Bimal Roy Saab better director according to you?
Guru Dutt Saab.
Okay. Amir Khan the producer या Amir Khan the director, your personal choice?
Amir Khan the producer.
He's producing for you. He's producing a film.
He's producing a fair bit right now. Actually. Yeah.
Okay. Mutton korma या chicken korma?
Mutton korma.
Apparently your grandmother cooks really good food.
Fantastic food.
Okay. Chai या coffee?
Coffee.
Juhi Chawla या Madhuri Dixit, actress who look better opposite Amir Khan according to you?
I think Juhi Avengo. There was just something about QSQT that
is so endearing. All right. Okay, so Siddharth and Junaid, thank you very much for your time. Wonderful talking to you guys. Congratulations for Maharaj. And I'm sure that it's going to gain a lot of, I think, accolades as the days go by. And all the best for your future films, Junaid, and to you as well, Siddharth. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.